Hey Internet, welcome to Heat Transfer Tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. What are the different ways of energy transfer in a closed system? How does heat transfer differ from the other energy transfer methods? So we've got heat, work, and mass for energy transfer. Heat transfer is different because it has a temperature difference. Alright, so here's the worded version. Now before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the snipping tool icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once open, click on video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.